Hey, fourth grade, today we're going to be working on problem set 14. Now remember at the bottom, it always tells you what we're doing. Understand and solve division problems with the remainder using array and an area model. All right, so let's take a look at the directions. Show division using an array, show division using an area model. So this one, number one, says 18 divided by 6. So you would write that like this: 18 divided by 6. Remember, this is your first number, so it's going to go in the little house, if you will. Okay? But it says show division using an array model. So I'm going to draw 18. You can count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so I have 18. Let's say there are 18 pumpkins. And I'm going to group them. I'm going to put them in groups of 6. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another group. So how many groups could I turn that into? Well, the quotient is 3. And then did I have any leftovers or remainders? Nope. So if you think about another way of thinking about this division, 6 times something will get me to 18. Well, that is going to be 3. So I could put a 3, subtract, bring it down. I do not have a remainder. All right, so over here, it's asking you to draw. I'm going to use a pen so you can see it, but you should be using a pencil for your math, okay? So I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then I need 18 of them. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you can see my area model here. Okay, so I have 6 on this side, and I have 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. Then I have 18 in the middle. Can you show 18 divided by 6 with one rectangle? So the answer is yes. All right. Now this next one is 19 divided by 6. So something tells me I might have a remainder. So I'm going to draw pretty much the exact same picture. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Only instead of 18, I'm going to draw 19 little dots. So here's one group, 2 groups, 3 groups. Okay? So my quotient is going to be 3, and my remainder is going to be 1. All right, so then I'm going to draw my area model. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's too big. So I need to make sure I only get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So you have to make sure that your numbers match. So that's 18, but this time I actually need 19 in my picture. So this is going to be 3, 6, 18, and there's a remainder of 1 over here. So can I show 19 divided by 6 with one rectangle? The answer is no. Okay? Explain how you showed the remainder. Well, it is the cube by itself. So remember, another way of thinking of that is, I'm going to put the math over here off to the side. 19, remember that's my first number, 19 divided by 6. It gets kind of tricky if you don't put the first number in the house. All right, so then I'm going to think, well, what's going to get me really close to 19? 6 times 3. This is where your multiplication kicks in. 6 times 3 is 18. And then I have a remainder of 1. All right, so let's flip it over to the back side. Now you're seeing more multiplication, division, but you have to use multiplication. Hang on, let me think about that. All right, so first one says divide 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. That's how, when I say it in my head, that's how I draw a picture to make sure I understand what is the math I'm being asked to do. All right, so I have to break these into groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I have a remainder of 1. All right, so that matches. The quotient is 12. And if I think about it, let's see, I wasn't exactly sure it would be 12, but let's say I did 10. Well, 2 times 10 is 20, and then I subtract, and then I have a 5, and then I think, okay, well, 2 times 2 is 4, subtract, and now I have a remainder of 1. Then I have to add these partial quotients up, and that's 12. All right, so here we go. This one, it says 29 divided by 3. All right, so now I need 29 dots. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right, so I have to group them into groups of 3. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, 9 groups, and then I have 2 left over. So how would I draw that? Well, let's see. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And then, let's see, they were in groups of 3. And then I have to have 2 remainders. All right. So on this one, 4, 5, and 6, you have to be able to draw the picture. But you can also think of your math like this. So 29 divided by 3. Well, what's going to get me really close to 29? 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract. Then I have to think, well, what's going to get me really close to 8? 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Subtract. So I add these up, 7 plus 2, 9 with the remainder of 2. Oop, the remainder of 2. All right. So here I've done it 3 different ways. I've made the division 3 different ways. All right. So here's number 4, 22 divided by 5. Number 5 says 43 divided by 4. Number 6 says 59 divided by 7. All right. So here you have to think, well, I have 22, let's say, pumpkins. let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, then you have to put them into groups of 5. Well, what will be your quotient? What will be your remainder? Down here, 43. So let's say I have 43 pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. All right, and the numbers just keep getting bigger. 59. So let's say I have 59 pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Do you see why I'm picking 7? Because it wants you to put them into groups of 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. All right, there you go, 4th grade. Go ahead and finish up this back side. If you get stuck, take a look at the front. Go ahead and work on your exit ticket when you're done.